How to set up free VPN on Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on network and internet. In here you'll find VPN. Click on add VPN. Add provider name, which is Windows built-in. Add your connection name, then go to Google and search VPN Gate. In here, click on VPN Gate. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down and you'll find all these options. You can click any one you want. Simply select the IP address. Then go to settings again and paste it in server name or address. After that, set your VPN type of sign-in info, and then username and password. You'll find username and password in Google. Go to Google, scroll a bit up, and you'll find username VPN, password VPN. So go to VPN connection and write VPN in username and password. After that, simply click on save, and you will find VPN in here. For Windows, simply click on connect and you're good to go. That's how you set up free VPN on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.